Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Trio Techies. So friends, in today's video, I am going to tell you how you can make your friend list as private. Yes, you heard it right. You can control who can see your friend list and who cannot. All right. So first, I'm going to tell you how to change it on a desktop site of Facebook. And after that, I will show you how to change it on a Facebook mobile app. All right. So before we proceed any further, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell icon, and do let us know in the comment section if any of your question regarding this topic remains unanswered. So here is the desktop site of Facebook. I am logged into my account. In order to change who can see my friend list, what I need to do is first I'll have to click on the arrow which is on the top right corner. Once you click on this arrow, you will have the second option as settings and privacy. Click on that and then click on the first option which is settings. Once you click on settings, a page something like this will open. Now here towards the left side, if you see, the second option says privacy. Click on privacy, then scroll down a little bit, and the third section you will find which says how people can find and contact you. Under this section, the second option is who can see your friend list. Once you click on this, you will have this drop down available here. You need to click on this drop down and you'll have multiple options available over here. So the first option is public. You can make your friend list as public, which means anyone on Facebook can see your friend list. Second is friends, wherein only your friends can see your friend list. Third option is friends except. So your friends on Facebook can see your friend list. However, you can restrict few people or somebody who you do not want to see your friend list. They won't be able to see it. The fourth option is specific friends. After that, the next option is only me, which means only and only you can see your friend list, nobody else. And then the last option is custom. So you can decide what settings you want to choose for your friend list and select from here. So this is how you can change it on the Facebook desktop site. Now let me take you to the Facebook mobile app and we'll show you how to change these settings on the app. So this is Facebook app. I am logged into my Facebook account on this app. In order to make your friend list as private, what you need to do is you need to click on the three bars on the top right corner. When you click on these three bars, you have to scroll down and at the bottom there is an option which says settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy, and after that the second option is privacy shortcuts. You need to click on that. Once you click on that, you will see a window like this. Here under privacy, the last option which you see says see more privacy settings. Click on see more privacy settings, and after that if you scroll down, you will have the third section which says how people find and contact you. Under this, the second option is who can see your friends list. Once you click on this, you will have these options available. Click on see more and you'll have these options available which we saw on the Facebook desktop site as well. The only option missing here is the custom option. Rest all the options are available here. So you can select as per your requirement, as per your privacy. All right. Hope this video was helpful for you. And if you have any queries or concerns, please let us know in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon for further updates and videos. See you in the next video.